Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Today I'm going to teach you how to resolve the no needle position error and 100-degree position issue. Let's get started. When the machine is powered on for the first time, it may display a no needle position status or fail to return to 100-degree position. This is normal displacement caused by vibration during transportation, so it's not a machine malfunction, so there is no need to worry. When the machine is in a no-needle position state, normal color changing operations may not work properly. Therefore, do not perform large rotations of the color changing knob. Only make small adjustments left or right based on the current needle bar position, and gradually locate the correct needle position step by step. After locating the color changing knob, slowly rotate it left or right. Continue adjusting until the needle position displayed in the upper left corner of the screen changes from 0, 0 back to a normal needle position value. After the needle position has been successfully restored, press the 100-degree button on the screen. Then the machine will automatically return to the standard 100-degree position. Once the automatic return is completed, the system status will be restored to normal. The issue is now resolved, and now the machine can continue normal embroidery operations.